You can learn to manage your emotions by leveraging on the art of personal journaling. Have you ever imagined what it would feel like to be handed a complete video recording of your life since you were born up until this present moment? Sure, it will be fun and interesting to watch your life, but apart from the fun, you will be surprised at how you will, in that video, identify certain traits or areas of your life to improve upon. That may not naturally happen because we're often too busy with activities, we fail to really analyze our lives to see how we can get better. Documenting your life and activities in a journal provides a rare opportunity for personal growth and development. Apart from being a tool for documenting happenings around, a journal is also a place to vent your anger and all those negative emotions we often experience. This is so much better than unleashing them on people in the heat of the moment, only to later regret your actions. Studies show that people who suffer mental ailments or who experience chronic depression tend to improve when they begin practicing personal journaling. Additionally, having a journal to record your experiences in turbulent times works so well to provide you with comfort and support. The life of the famous Anne Frank mirrors this so well. History shows that the teenage girl was able to survive the uncomfortable situation of hiding from the Nazis during the German War by documenting her life experiences in a little journal her parents got her when she was just 13. For her, the journal became a best friend, a close confidant, and an ever-present support. Many still benefit from the wisdom she learned and documented in those few short years of her life. Whoever doesn't know it must learn and find by experience that a quiet conscience makes one strong. Anne Frank.